Welcome to another top tip video from Tyre Seeker. Now meet tyre expert Chris Perry from ProTyre. He's been in the business for 25 years now and knows everything there is to know about tyres. So Chris, what should you do if that nasty little orange warning light comes on in your dash, indicating that you might well have a puncture? And while we're at it, tell us how the tyre pressure monitoring systems work on a modern tyre and what kind of costs might be involved to get them replaced.
If the tyre pressure light comes on your vehicle, I would recommend that you go to a tyre dealership so you can go and get your tyre checked for a puncture. So the tyre has lost an amount of pressure, bringing the light on the dashboard, notifying the driver that you need to go and get it repaired. If the tyre gets below 20 psi, I would usually recommend that the tyre needs to be replaced. There are two different types of tyre pressure monitoring system. One is called indirect, the other is direct. Indirect systems need standard rubber valves to be replaced. Direct systems need the rubber TPMS valve to be replaced every time, and sometimes a service kit needs to be fitted onto the metal valve. Indirect is run off a speed sensor of a vehicle and uses a standard rubber valve. Direct TPMS sensors have a sensor in each wheel. These need to be replaced at times. For a rubber TPMS valve, the cost is around about £8 per valve, and for the metal type, around about £12 to £15.
So there you go, tyre pressure monitoring systems. Not so scary or as expensive to replace as you might have thought. I hope you found this video useful. Cheers for watching. Make sure you visit etyres.co.uk if you want to find the best tyres for the lowest prices anywhere on the internet. Stay safe and see you next time.